Tanny Cooks here, and today I'm going to show you how to make an absolutely delicious baked sweet potato in the Instant Pot. We're using these delicious seasonings and it's going to be done in 30 minutes, so let's get to cooking. So we're going to start off by washing our sweet potatoes. I have 4 here, and the first thing you want to do after you dry them off is to pierce them with a fork all over. This will let the steam escape as they cook in the water in the Instant Pot. So I have my trivet at the bottom of my Instant Pot so that my potatoes aren't sitting in the water. I'm adding 1 cup of water to the bottom. This will help in the pressure cooking process. And now I'm just going to lay my sweet potatoes in the Instant Pot. You want to fit them in the best that you can. I'm going to put the 4th one on top and kind of wiggle it in since it is some space underneath it to get the air circulating that it needs. So now, well, the pressure. So now I'm going to set my Instant Pot pressure cooker on high pressure for 30 minutes. If this is your first time doing it, you can try it at 20 minutes and see how it does. But I cooked these for 30 minutes and now they're ready. So let's take a look at them. Beautiful baked sweet potatoes, but these suckers are hot. So definitely be careful when you take that top off and use your tongs. So I'm going to use my knife to just split it open. And I can feel the steam coming out of these potatoes. Hot potato is a real thing. So use some tongs to make sure you keep your hands and your fingers safe. But look at how beautiful that looks. Nice and creamy and delicious just all by itself. I'm going to add some maple syrup. Look at that. It's going to add some sweetness and some decadence. Now they make keto-friendly syrups. I'm adding some vanilla. If you don't like vanilla, you could also try using some orange extract. I put the extract in the top of the cap to not add too much because it is very potent. Now I'm using my vegan butter, earth balanced, soy free, but you can use regular butter. And you just want to put it in there, and I'm using a butter knife, but you could also use a fork or spoon. You just want to make sure you stab in some of the sides of the potato to get the butter incorporated into all of the pieces of it. If you don't want to use syrup, you could use monk fruit or brown sugar. And look at that, y'all. Beautiful baked sweet potatoes. Add cinnamon or nutmeg or pumpkin pie spice for a delicious flavor. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe.